Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ashifuzzaman, Senior Lecturer, English Department, Milestone College. Welcome you all on behalf of Milestone College. Milestone College was established in 2002. Colonel Nur Nabi sir is the founder principal of Milestone College. Now he is the advisor of Milestone College. Colonel Nur Nabi sir is called the teacher of the teachers. Under his leadership, at present Milestone College has become one of the leading colleges of Bangladesh. Let's start our class.
Dear students, today we will study English for today. Unit 2, Greatest Scientific Achievements. Lesson 1, some of the greatest scientific achievements of the last 50 years. This is the first page of lesson 1. You had better take a screenshot of this page so that if you have no book at home you can study. We have some warm-up activities. Making pairs, you have to discuss what advantages has technology brought to everyday life. How do science and technology make life better? What, in your opinion, are some of the greatest scientific achievements so far? We have some new words. Tend means to go or move in a particular direction. Species means a group of living organisms capable of interbreeding. Relatively means in proportion to something else. Trans, it is prefix, means across. Adapt means to become adjusted to new conditions. Incredible means impossible to believe. New words, continue. Alter means to change. Artificial means not natural. Pick, to arouse. Implant means to insert or fix tissue or an artificial object in a person's body, especially by surgery. Lifespan means the length of time for which a person or animal lives. Transplant means to take living tissue or an organ and implant it in another part of the body or in another body. Let's go through the preface of lesson 1. We human beings tend to forget how far we have come as a species in a relatively short period of time. It was only in the 1870s when we had the first house that was lighted with electricity. Cars just started to become available 100 years ago. Charles Lindbergh made the first transatlantic flight in 1927. Televisions didn't become widely available until after World War II. In other words, the advances humankind has made in a relatively short period of time have been nothing short of extraordinary. Perhaps just as extraordinary is how we tend to simply adapt to these incredible changes, not realizing how completely our world has been altered in a short span of time. With that in mind, it is worth looking back at some of the amazing scientific advances we have made in the last few decades. Dear students, human beings are prone to forget the changes and advances of times, but they always tend to adapt themselves with all the changes. You see that in 1870s electricity was used for household work, and then cars just started to become available only 100 years back, and the first transatlantic flight started in 1927. Television was not available as much as it is now before World War II. But human being don't think so much of all this inventions or changes of time. But whenever something new comes, they adapt themselves with those changes. It is an extraordinary character of human being. But at this stage, we will look back and see some amazing scientific advances of the last few decades. Artificial heart and artificial organs. You see, Dr. Jarvik was the designer of first artificial heart, and you see here Jarvik 7, the first artificial heart. The valve of the first artificial heart, Jarvik 7. The first patient implanted with the artificial heart, Jarvik 7, Dr. Barney Clark. Here you see how heart transplantation takes place. At first, the diseased heart is removed and a fresh one is transplanted. You will see some artificial organs here. Another artificial organ. Now let's go through the passage. The artificial heart. There is nothing that piques the interest of a human being quite as much as the prospect of living a longer life. Implanting a person with an artificial heart in 1982 was an extraordinary step towards increasing the human lifespan. A Seattle-based dentist, Dr. Barney Clark, was the first person implanted with the Jarvik 7, an artificial heart intended to last a lifetime. The Jarvik 7 artificial heart was designed by Robert Jarvik. Though the patient survived 112 days, it was a huge step towards the development of heart transplant surgery. One day, more advanced versions of artificial organs will likely allow us to live much longer and more productive lives. When we get there, we will owe a lot to Robert Jarvik's artificial heart. Dear students, human beings want to live a longer life. And in this world, this thing piques more interest in them. So, when the first implantation of heart took place in 1982, everybody considered it a great step towards increasing human lifespan. And a Seattle-based dentist, Dr. Barney Clark, was the first person to be implanted with Jarvik 7. Though he lived only for 112 days after the transplantation, but the doctors and scientists became very much hopeful that in future they will be able to go further. And not only artificial heart, doctors and scientists became successful to develop artificial organs also, and they hope someday they will be able to invent more and more artificial organs, and they hope that they will be very much successful, and certainly when they will be able to go to that stage, they will owe a lot to Robert Jarvik's artificial heart, because Robert Jarvik's artificial heart gave them the first hope. After the implantation of first artificial heart, Robert Jarvik, doctors and scientists started to become hopeful about their artificial inventions. You have some home activities. You have to study the passages. You have to learn the new words, and you have to write the answer of this question. What is Jarvik 7? Why is it so significant in the advancement of medical science?
I hope all of you have attended today's class attentively. you will study today's lesson. Still, if you have any doubt, anytime you can ask your subject teacher. Again, thank you all.